Hello everyone, welcome to Polyset Virtual Classes. Today we are going to discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. First of all, let us know what is linear equation. What is linear equation? A linear equation contains variables that have an exponent raised to the power that is not higher than 1. All equations have an equal sign. This means that everything on the left hand side is equal to same as the everything on the right hand side. A linear equation will makes a straight line graph. See what they are trying to say, as we learned in the polynomials, right? Whenever the degree is 1, you will say that equation as what? Linear equation. Always you will get the linear equation. What kind of graph you will get it? You will get a straight line graph for the linear equation. Now let us see, when you are saying the equation, obviously people know, right? Sure, we will have the standard form also, right? What is a standard form of the linear equation? So what is the standard form of the linear equation? It is nothing but ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form for the linear equation. It is nothing but what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then what are the types of linear equations you are having? In the linear equation, as you know, what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or you can write it ax plus by equal to c. Then we are having the slope intercept form. What is meant by slope intercept form? If I rearrange this equation as y, what I'm doing? I'm rearranging this equation as a y. So what is the answer? I'll get it y equal to, right, c minus ax, right, b equal to, I'll get it what? I'll get, if I rearrange this equation, what I will get it? Y equal to mx plus b. Here m is nothing but slope. Okay, slope says the steepness of your line. Slope shows what? Steepness of your line, right? Next we are having point slope form. What is a point slope form? Right, so whenever the one point is given, so how can I write the linear equation? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So these are the three different forms what we are having in the linear equation. Now we are going to discuss how we will solve the pair of linear equations in two variables, right? We are having different methods to solve the pair of linear equation. Let us see one by one method how to solve the pair of linear equation. First method, we are going to solve by substitution method. What we are going to do? Substitution. As you people know, if one teacher is absent, another teacher is substituting, then what will happen? She'll come instead of that teacher, right? Same way here also, what we are going to do? We are going to substitute instead of one variable to another variable. Right, let us consider this two equation, y equal to x plus 3 and y equal to 2x plus 3. So what I'm doing over here, anyway I know what is the value of y here from the equation 2, it is 2x, right? I'm going to substitute this 2x in the equation 1. So what I'll get it, 2x is equal to x plus 3, right? It will turn us equation number 3. Now what I'm doing, so this 2x, just I'm going to rearrange it, I'm going to get the answer for x. So this x will come to this side, right? Next step. So 2x minus x is equal to 3. What is 2x minus x? It's nothing but 1x. So 1x is 3. So as I know the value of x now, could I go and substitute in any one of the equation for the x value and find it out the y value? Yes, obviously. Either you can substitute in equation 1 or equation 2, it's your wish. So y equal to x plus 3. What is the value of x we know? It's 3, right? So I'm going to substitute 3 over here. So y equal to 3 plus 3, it gives you what? 6. So let us check whether we got a right answer or not. As you people know, y is what? 6. If I do with x, what is the x we are getting it? So 3. So 3 plus 3 gives you what? 6. Am I getting the left hand side? Obviously, yes. So hence it is right, whatever we have done. So first method is what? Substitution method. Next we are going to see about elimination method. What is the meaning of eliminating? If in any competition, right, if they are saying it's going to be elimination round, what they will do? Yes, they will eliminate. Means they'll say some of the teams will be out of the game, right? So same way here also elimination means what? Removing, right? Either what can I do? Either I can remove x or y. It's my wish. Whatever I'm thinking to remove, you can remove that, right? To make it that thing as, see, always remember, if it is a same sign, you will subtract the equation. If it is a different sign, then you will add the equation. Okay, so what I'm going to trying to do over here is, I'm going to try to coefficient of y, I'm going to make it out coefficient of x or y, right? I have to make it as equal. Here I'm trying to do with a coefficient of x. So if I want to get this as same, what I can do? I can multiply this 5 with this equation. Same way 2 with this equation. So what I'm doing over here? I'm multiplying 2 with this equation 1. So what I'll get it? 2 into minus 5. It will be minus 10x plus 2 2s are 4y equal to 2 9s are 18. Same way, vice versa, what I'm doing? I'm multiplying this 5 with this equation 2. So what I'll get? Plus 10x minus 15y minus 95. Now as I said, it is a different sign, right? You can see it now. 10, 10x, 10x, right? Now it is with a different sign. If it is a different sign, you can, what do you have to do? You have to add the equation. If it is the same sign, subtract the equation. Remember this. So what can we do? If I add the equation, plus 10 minus 10 will go off, right? So x will be 0. So the coefficient of x will be 0. X will be eliminated here. So minus 15 plus 4 will give you minus 11 equal to minus 77. Now I need y. So minus 11 equal to 11y equal to minus 77, right? This is the answer. We got it. Now I need what? Y I need it. So what can I do? Y equal to minus 77 by minus 11. Right? Minus minus will get cancelled over here. 11 ones are 11 sevens are. So what is the y we got it? Y equal to 7. Next what I'm going to do? I'm going to substitute this y in any one of the equation. You can do either with the equation 1 or equation 2. Here I'm going to substitute with equation 1. Right, minus 5x plus 2 into 7 equal to, in the place of y, what I'm substituting? 7 I'm substituting. What is the value? I got it equal to 9. So minus 5x is equal to 2 into 7 is how much? 14 equal to 9. So what is the answer? You'll get it now. Minus 5x is equal to plus 9, right? Minus 5x is equal to, what is the answer? You will get it equal to 9 minus 14, because I need only what? X. So what I'm doing over here? I'm taking this 14 to other side. Obviously, it will turn as what? Minus 14. So, minus 5x is equal to minus 5. What about x? X is equal to minus 5 by minus 5. It will turn as 1. This is the elimination method. First method, what we have seen? It's a substitution method. Next, we have seen with the elimination method. Right? Next, what is a method we can do it? We can do with the graphical method. What we can do? With the graphical method. Graphical method means what you will do, as we learnt, y equal to mx plus c. What is that? Y equal to mx plus c. You can see, right? The steepness of a line. You will say it as a slope. How much it is steep? That steepness you will say it as a slope. Right? Then what is the value of y over here? How will you do it? First, take a grid and substitute the value for x. Right? So like a box we can draw it. See, here I'm going to take up the value for x and y. Okay, x and y. For x, if I'm taking 0, what I'm doing? X is 0. So what is the value of 0 into 3? It will be 0 only, right? Plus 4. So y is what? 4. Okay. Then if I'm taking as 1, x is 1. Then what is the answer? Minus 3 into 1, right? Here I'm doing it. So minus 3 into 1 plus 4. Okay, so minus 3 into 1 is how much? Minus 3, right? So what is the answer? I'll get it minus 3 plus 4. It's nothing but plus 1, right? For 1, I'm getting 1. So you can plot the graph over here. For 0, it is 4. You get a 1 point over here. For 1, you will get what? 1 over here. So this is another point. Could you see it? So obviously linear means you will get the graph as always what? Straight line. They can ask you what type of graph you will get it for which. If it is a linear, you will get straight line graph. Right? Next we are going to see what are the methods as we have seen yearly, right? Just we will have a quick recap of this. Methods of solving. What are the methods we have seen? Substitution method, then elimination method and graphical method. Through your graphical method, we can find out the solution for the equations. So how you can find out the solutions? Right, in algebraic method, what we have done? We have done the substitution, elimination and graphical method, right? So based upon this, how can I say how my graph will be? Right, if I am having two equations over here, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, because as you people know, what is this is called standard form of a linear equation, right? I'm having two equations, so that's why I have given as a1, a2. Right, so based upon this, how you will say whether it is an intersecting line or parallel line or coincident line, this they will ask you in your polyset entrance, right? How can I check it? If I see these two lines, right, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then what line it is called? Intersecting line. How the graph will be intersecting line means this is a graph. Okay, it will be an intersecting line, and you will have how many solutions for that? Only one solution for that. It is consistent and you will have only one solution. Then we will go for the parallel lines. If it is a parallel line, as you people know, the graph will be like this or like this. Okay, you will get it as parallel line. So inconsistent and we don't have a solution. So what is the condition for the parallel line? How will you check it? By seeing only, how will you say? Just to simply check that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Right? Same way, what you will do for that? Coincident line. You will say this as what? Coincident line. Consistent and it will have infinity. So if everything is equal, then you will say it as what? Coincident line, consistent and infinity, many solutions. So let me check with this one example. Let us go with this one example. Okay, they have given you two lines like this. 2x plus 3y, right, plus 4 equal to 0. This is the first line they have given to you. Right, second line is given to you as 2x plus 7y plus 8 they have given you. Right, let us check what this line is. So as we check, first what you can check? a1 by a2. What is a1? This is a1, this is a2, coefficient of x. So 2 by 2. We'll check with the three things equal to, same what you are getting, 3 by 7. Right, then you are getting 4 by 8. So what you are getting answer over here? It's nothing but 1. Right, here I can't cancel it. Anyway, this will be 1 by 2. As you can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Obviously, what line it will be? It will be an intersecting line and you will have only one solution for this. Right, if it is coming as this both are equal, then we can check out with the C1 and C2. Is it clear to everyone? I hope so it's clear to everyone. Right, let us have a quick recap of the things whatever we learned it now. What is a pair of linear equation in two variables? Right, so what is that? When the degree you will say it as a 1, then you will say that as a what equation? It's a linear equation. Right, so whenever you are having a linear equation, you can solve it with the different methodologies. One is with substitution method we learned, one is with elimination method, then another one we learned it as a graphical method. Right, so how we can do? Through the graphical method, how you can say the solution for the algebraic equation. Right, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what you will say? It is an intersecting line. So when it is a coincident line, these three things will be equal. Coefficient of x, y and the constant will be equal. Then you will say it is what? Infinitely many solution. Then if only a1 and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to constant, then that line is called what? Parallel lines, no solution, no, inconsistent. Right, so based upon this table, sure there is a chances of asking questions in your polyset entrance exam. Hope right now you are clear about the pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you so much.